Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you have been here with us for the longest time, thank you so much. So in this video, I'll basically do my makeup for you guys to watch. Here I've prepped my skin and I use this hydrating primer from omaricode, and that's the only primer I use in this video. So I'm taking this foundation from L'Oreal in the shade Cappuccino, and I basically applied that on my face. I'm not going to mix any foundation today because I feel this is good on my skin alone. So I just took out my earrings so I can be comfortable while blending the foundation. Today I'm doing the one-time application, applying my contour and also doing the foundation at the same time. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is spray a hydrating setting spray on my face, and I'll start blending the foundation first. So I'm blending the foundation first like so before I go into blending the contour, the concealer that I use to contour. So I'm using the same brush that I use in blending my foundation to blend the concealer in. And the concealer that I use is from Nuban Beauty. I think it's in the shade 49 or 48. I can't remember. I'll drop that in the description box in case you like the shade of the concealer for contour, because I really love the shade a lot. I've been using it to contour lately and I love it. So I went ahead to blend that in further with a damp beauty blender like so. So I took this blush from TM Essential. I can't remember the shade, but I will drop it in the description box in case you like it and you want to get it. So for concealer, I use the Yanga Beauty and the Milani concealer. The Yanga Beauty concealer is in the shade 5. Can't remember. I'll drop that as well. And the Milani is 138, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm basically applying this on the areas I want to highlight like so. And I started blending with that small brush from Nuban Beauty. But it was dry already. I don't know, it was fast. So I sprayed the setting spray on my face so it can be easy for me to blend. And I quickly distribute the concealer all around where I want it to be before going in with the beauty blender to further blend it. You don't want to see any harsh line, guys. So you keep on blending. Blending is key, like I always say. And yeah. While I was blending, I realized I applied too much concealer on the bridge of my nose. Can you see that? But don't worry, I am going to correct that real soon. But all you need to do is just blend and blend and blend, and you get it right. So because of the Oversabi concealer on my nose, I am going to go heavy on the nose contour. So I am going to do that right away. But before that, I make sure I take out all the harsh line by blending and blending and blending. You guys, blending is key. So I'm taking that concealer again. Concealer from Yanga Beauty. I think it's in the shade 49 or 48, and I'll just contour my nose real good. Like I had to snatch the nose because the concealer was already doing rubbish there. So now I am going to set my under eye with this Yanga Beauty setting spray in the shade Alabaster. But before then, I make sure I go back with my beauty blender to blend any creasing before setting. So for the inner corner, I like to use a tiny brush like this, distribute the setting powder before going in with a bigger brush like this one to further blend it. You guys see, this setting powder is something else. Like, I don't know why I have not gotten this powder since everyone have been talking about it. Like, can you see the blur? Like, it's giving, like, it's so nice. Like, it gives you that blurry effect instantly. Like, you're seeing it. Like, I don't know, I'm talking too much. But you guys, I love this setting powder, and it's lightweight. Like, lightweight. Can you see? Oh my god, I love it. So I am going to basically set the area that I use concealer. Yeah, so watch me do it. It's raining, guys, in case the background is sounding so funny. Okay, so yeah, going to contour. I'm going to set my contour with the powder. I did not show the powder, but the powder that I use in this video is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade not caramel, in the shade Nutmeg. I'm basically setting the areas I contoured. For blush, I'm taking this orange shade from Juvias eyeshadow palette, and I'll lightly pat that on my cheeks. And your girl loves blush so much that I had to take another blush, and this one is from Elsa's Pro. I just mix the two shades together and tap that on my cheeks again, just to add more color to the face, you know. After that, I went ahead to set the whole of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Warm Caramel. For the brows, I'm not going to be showing too much. I just use the brow wax, just tame my hair, brush it upward like this, and I draw the brows following my brow shape and filling, and that's it. After that, I use a concealer to just clean it up to make it pronounce more, and that was it with the brows, guys. Like, these days I just don't have patience doing brows, like, you know, because of the kind of brows I have. They are so funny. So I am going to do a detailed eyebrow tutorial soon, really soon, for people that have funny eyebrows like me. So sorry, bear with me until I put the video out. So here is my twin sister trying to correct my brows. She's also a makeup artist, you guys, in case you don't know. But me, you see this eyebrow like this, I was okay because I was tired trying to get my eyebrows, you know, right. So yeah, after that, I went ahead to apply concealer on my eyelid, basically the whole of my eyes, and I use a setting powder to set that, to put the concealer in place before doing my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to apply the setting powder underneath my eyes and also doing a reverse contour for the nose. This is just to catch a fallout while I'm doing my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this Lipstain from Talkglam. It's a brown shade as my base, and I blend that in using a small fluffy brush. After that, I'm going to take this brown shade from this palette, focallure eyeshadow palette, and basically apply that on the area I applied the area I applied the lip stain. So after that, I'm taking that shade to further blend the eyeshadow, just to give it a good look. Just blend that, in out. And after applying that shade, I went ahead to take the brown again, apply it again. I really want the smoky eye to be smoky, like to be really dark, but you know, soft at the same time. So as you apply, you blend, you apply, you blend. I went ahead to take the light shade there to further blend the wine color that I used to blend the brown, if that makes sense. I went ahead to take that brown shade in this Juvias Blaze eyeshadow palette to smudge under my eyes like so. I love smudging, you guys. Gives the eye this sweet look, this baby girl look. Then I'm taking the primer, the glue rather, the pigment glue. I applied that before applying the pigment. So yep, that's what I'm doing. Apply the pigment glue first, then you start applying the pigment, slightly tapping that on it, on your eyelid. Don't press too much because you're gonna crack it. So I'm going back to blending the crease, just to also take out any pigment that is sitting on the matte eyeshadow that I used to blend. So now I'm taking out the setting powder and also the fallout from the eyeshadow, using that same brush that we used to set. For my lips, I'm using the same talkglam Lipstain, and this is the only lippy I am going to apply. Lipstick I'm going to apply in this video. I'm not going to be doing ombre today. So okay, that's good. So I'm using this liquid liner from Zaron to give myself a tiny wing. See, I don't know if I'm the only one that hates using liquid liner. That thing is so tricky, man, like, and so frustrating if you make mistake. So yeah, I'm basically lining my eyes using the using the liner, the liquid liner. So yeah. So the lashes I use in this video is from Voan Beauty, and this tweezer, see, is so steady. I got it from talkglam. Yep. So this is the pack of the lashes in case you like it and you want to get it. It's from Voan Beauty. So after that, I set my face with a setting spray, and I went ahead to apply more blush. I like that. I like to do that. Like, I like to reapply everything after setting my face. So you see me here applying powder underneath my eyes. I'll go back to recontour my nose, you know, just to pop everything, you know, make everything come back to life. So here I'm using this Fenty Beauty highlighter. I can't remember the shade. I will also drop it in the description box. So guys, I also applied the highlighter on my tear dot. You guys see, these things just change the whole look entirely. Like, can you see that? So sweet, so beautiful. So I went ahead to apply mascara on my bottom lashes. My makeup is not complete without using the mascara, and I was done at this point. See, my lighting was giving me headache, but you know what, I was able to finish this makeup that day, even with the way I was feeling, you know. But I love the look. Thank you guys for watching to this point. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.